The thing I like about Maintenance Manager is that I can see from the dashboard how my property managers are going in terms of corresponding backwards and forwards to tradesmen, to the tenants and to the landlords, and replies from all of those clients. So yes, the transparency, I suppose, of the system is fantastic because I can see a snapshot from the dashboard what jobs are outstanding, what's waiting for some invoices. So all of that is basically all there, and that's something that I find is a great tool to keep on top of everything, to know where everything is and what's outstanding and what's been finalised. I think the app on the iPhone on the smartphone, I suppose, that's fantastic. So that's really modern. People like things like that. I guess too, our tradesmen can upload their invoices directly into Maintenance Manager, which helps us. And for us now using Property Me, the invoicing system integrates straight over to our trust account software. That's a time saver for any property manager. And thirdly, I think just the simplicity of it all. Just knowing it's all in the one spot. So if I'm looking for something, an invoice, some correspondence from the tenant, some feedback, tradesmen's information, it's all there. It's really great.